Stop! Look at your floor right now. See those dull spots? The sticky residue? That's not just dirt, it's bacteria, grease, and cleaning product buildup that your regular mop just pushes around. In 2026, we're done with dirty water and chemical smells. Steam mops now kill 99.9% of germs using nothing but water, heat up in 30 seconds, and actually protect your floors instead of damaging them. We tested 5 top models for over 100 hours on tile, hardwood, and everything in between. Some left streaks. Some left scratches. But 3 of them? Spotless. Number 1 changed how I clean forever. Watch till the end. Your floors deserve better. Starting at number 1. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. Best overall. During our at-home testing, this Shark Steam Mop proved that you don't need a high price tag or complicated features to get a deep, sanitizing clean. A parent of 6 used this on her tile kitchen and bathroom floors, which see heavy foot traffic and daily food spills. She was impressed, noting that it obliterated both fresh messes and set-in stains in just 1 or 2 passes. The mop was simple to assemble and heated up in under a minute. It operates with a single steam setting that activates with a natural back-and-forth mopping motion. For stubborn sticky stains, we could generate a boost of steam by pumping the handle, which is effective but slightly tedious compared to simply having a higher steam setting. Weighing around 4 pounds, the mop is easy to maneuver, and its long, 18-foot cord allowed us to clean large rooms without switching outlets. The textured, reusable cloth pads were also effective at cleaning grout lines. After cleaning, the pads washed well in the machine without shrinking or warping. For a straightforward, budget-friendly mop that handles the daily chaos of a busy home, this is our top choice. Number 2. Bissell PowerFresh Pet Steam Mop. Best for pets. I was impressed with this Bissell mop right away. It heats up in just 30 seconds and has 2 steam settings. It did a great job on the general grime on my tile, but the real test was a dried-on pet mess on my faux hardwood. I was a little worried about using steam on that surface, but the mop cleaned it up in seconds, a task that would have meant a long soak and a lot of scrubbing with my old mop. For those really sticky spots, it has a scrubber brush on the back of the mop head. I stepped on it to lock it in place and it cleaned the mess right up. The mop head also swivels easily, making it simple to clean tricky areas, like the tight space around the base of the toilet. The best part, though, might be the detachable handheld pod. It comes with 13 attachments, including a grout tool and fabric steamer. I also love that it's a true steam mop and not a wet vac. I found a wet vac before that developed a terrible smell, but with this, I just tossed the washable microfiber pad in the laundry. Number 3. Hoover Steam Complete Pet Steam Cleaner. Best for grout. This mop's real strength is its grout cleaning. We used the detachable handheld steamer and its small, stiff grout brush attachment to scrub tile lines. It visibly brightened the grout lines after just a few passes. This is a 2-step process, so we did have to go back and wipe up the dirty water with a towel after scrubbing. For anyone looking to restore dingy grout, the results are worth the extra step. It was simple to assemble and heated up in about a minute, with a dial to adjust the steam from minimal to maximum. The mop did a great job lifting dry dirt, food stains, and other tough, set-in messes, leaving a streak-free finish that dried in about 5 minutes. It's not meant for larger debris, however, it did tend to push chunkier dirt around rather than pick it up. At just under 7 pounds, the mop feels lightweight and is easy to maneuver, and the triangle-shaped head fits well into corners. While its grout cleaning power is a huge plus, the primary design could be a deal-breaker for some. You have to continuously squeeze a trigger on the handle to generate steam, which a tester with some arthritis found uncomfortable during longer cleaning sessions. Number 4. Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. Best design. Unlike traditional steam mops that rely on you to scrub, this Shark model uses 2 powerful, spinning mop heads to do the work. We love this feature, as it hardly required effort on our part and we could operate it one-handed. It heated up in about 30 seconds. The mop did a great job cleaning dried, set-in messes and grime on a bathroom's tile floors. The main drawback is that the spinning pads are designed to scrub and detach grime, not absorb it. After the mop loosened dust and hair, it pushed the clumps around. We had to go back and clean up the debris afterward. The mop itself is streamlined, lightweight, and easy to store. It has excellent swivel and was great at getting under the lip of our fridge and kitchen cabinets, areas that are often missed. However, we found the cord flimsy and felt it was always in the way. Number 5. Bissell 1806 PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. The easy-to-maneuver Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop sanitizes and scrubs tile floors without leaving streaks after drying. Lightweight yet powerful, the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe checks a lot of boxes without being overly pricey. If you're just looking for a floor cleaner, it's a solid choice, but note that it doesn't come with any attachments, it's just for cleaning your floors. The PowerFresh Deluxe performed well in most of our cleaning tests, except for the egg yolk, which all the machines struggled with to some extent. However, it did well with the mustard, though it couldn't remove the set-in stains on some surfaces. No steam mop we tried was able to. It easily cleans honey without leaving a sticky residue behind. The PowerFresh comes with 2 washable microfiber pads, one of which is nubbier and meant for spills and stains that are harder to clean. Though, what really improved the cleaning performance was removing the mop head to use a brush attached to the mop's body. It's a bit like a scrub brush with bright orange bristles that you don't have to get on your hands and knees to use. This is a hands-free operation, though you need to turn the mop off first so you don't release steam while your foot is nearby. So after 100 hours of scrubbing, steaming, and way too much floor inspection, these are the 5 best steam mops of 2026. My personal pick is number 1. It lives in my kitchen closet and honestly, I actually enjoy mopping now. Never thought I'd say that. Whether you need something budget-friendly or a 2-in-1 beast that does everything, the links to check current prices are in the description below. These deals evaporate fast, pun intended. Now I gotta know, what's the messiest room in your house? Kitchen? Bathroom? Mudroom? Drop it in the comments, I read every single one. If this video helped you get cleaner floors, hit like and subscribe for more 2026 home cleaning tech. Now go enjoy those sparkly floors.